Fenbendazole. The word might sound unfamiliar to many, but for those with furry companions, it's a common sight in veterinary clinics. This unassuming drug, often found in brightly coloured packages adorned with playful puppies and kittens, has been a mainstay in animal care for decades. Its primary purpose? Ridding our beloved pets of pesky internal parasites like roundworms, hookworms, and whipworms. Fenbendazole belongs to a class of drugs known as benzimidazoles, which work by disrupting the parasite's energy production, effectively starving them and leading to their demise. For years, fenbendazole has dutifully served its role, keeping our animal companions healthy and parasite-free. However, whispers of its potential beyond the realm of veterinary medicine have begun to surface. Could this drug, designed to combat microscopic invaders in animals, hold the key to fighting a far more formidable foe in humans, cancer? The idea, while seemingly far-fetched, has gained traction in recent years. Fueled by a combination of preliminary research, anecdotal accounts, and high-profile endorsements, the scientific community, while intrigued, remains cautiously optimistic, urging a measured approach as we delve deeper into the potential of fenbendazole as a cancer treatment. The journey from animal dewormer to potential cancer therapy is a winding one, fraught with both promise and uncertainty. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's crucial to separate hope from hype, examining the available evidence with a critical eye and a commitment to scientific rigor. The potential of fenbendazole in cancer treatment stems from its mechanism of action. Just as it disrupts energy production in parasites, research suggests that fenbendazole might interfere with the growth and spread of cancer cells. This intriguing possibility has sparked a flurry of research, with scientists eager to unravel the mysteries behind this humble deworming drug. One of the key areas of interest lies in fenbendazole's interaction with microtubules, structures crucial for cell division. By disrupting the formation and function of these microtubules, fenbendazole may inhibit the rapid proliferation that characterizes cancer cells. This disruption effectively puts the brakes on tumor growth, offering a glimmer of hope in the fight against this devastating disease. Early studies on fenbendazole's anti-cancer properties have yielded promising results, albeit mostly in laboratory settings and animal models. For instance, a 2020 study published in the journal demonstrated that fenbendazole slowed lung cancer growth in mice. These findings, while encouraging, represent just the tip of the iceberg, and researchers acknowledge the need for extensive, further investigation to determine fenbendazole's efficacy and safety in humans. Despite the preliminary nature of these findings, the scientific community recognizes the potential of fenbendazole as a starting point for developing new and innovative cancer treatments. The road from promising laboratory results to an approved drug is long and arduous, often paved with setbacks. However, the early glimmers of hope observed with fenbendazole provide a compelling reason to continue exploring its potential in the fight against cancer. As news of fenbendazole's potential anti-cancer effects spread, anecdotal accounts surfaced online. Desperate individuals turned to forums and social media to share their experiences. Stories of tumor shrinkage and improved quality of life captured public attention. Joe Tippins diagnosed with terminal lung cancer, tried fenbendazole and saw his tumors shrink. His story became a beacon of hope, further fueling interest in fenbendazole. High-profile endorsements like Mel Gibson's amplified the buzz. However, these are anecdotal accounts, not scientific proof. It's crucial to approach such evidence with skepticism. Controlled studies are needed to confirm fenbendazole's efficacy. Section 4. A measured response. The medical community's stance on fenbendazole. The surge in public interest and anecdotal reports surrounding fenbendazole as a potential cancer treatment has not gone unnoticed by the medical community. While acknowledging the intriguing possibilities and the hope it has sparked, healthcare professionals urge caution and emphasize the need for rigorous scientific evaluation. Dr. Jason Williams, an oncologist at a leading cancer center, stresses the importance of evidence-based medicine. While the early findings on fenbendazole are promising, he explains, we need to remember that these are preliminary results, mostly from laboratory and animal studies. Extrapolating these findings to human cancer treatment requires immense caution. One of the primary concerns raised by the medical community is the lack of comprehensive human trials to assess fenbendazole's safety and efficacy in treating cancer. While anecdotal accounts provide compelling narratives, they cannot replace the rigor of randomized controlled trials, the gold standard for evaluating medical interventions. Furthermore, there are concerns regarding potential side effects associated with fenbendazole use in humans, especially at the higher doses that might be required for cancer treatment. While generally considered safe for its intended use in animals, fenbendazole's long-term effects in humans remain largely unknown. The medical community emphasizes the importance of consulting with qualified healthcare professionals before considering fenbendazole or any other unproven treatment. Self-medicating with fenbendazole, especially outside the guidance of a physician, can be dangerous and potentially interfere with other essential cancer treatments. Section 5. Beyond fenbendazole, exploring related drugs and their potential. The interest in fenbendazole has also cast a spotlight on other drugs in the benzimidazole class, particularly mebendazole. Like fenbendazole, mebendazole is an antiparasitic drug, but unlike its veterinary counterpart, mebendazole is approved for human use, primarily for treating parasitic worm infections. This key difference, mebendazole's established safety profile in humans, has made it an attractive candidate for further exploration as a potential cancer treatment. Researchers speculate that mebendazole may share similar mechanisms of action with fenbendazole, potentially interfering with cancer cell growth and division. Several studies have investigated mebendazole's anti-cancer properties, with some promising results. A 2022 study published in the journal showed that mebendazole inhibited the growth of colon cancer cells in laboratory settings. Furthermore, a small clinical trial in patients with advanced colon cancer demonstrated that mebendazole, when combined with standard chemotherapy, showed some evidence of anti-tumor activity. While these findings are encouraging, it's crucial to remember that they represent early-stage research. Larger, well-designed clinical trials are essential to determine mebendazole's true potential in cancer treatment and to establish its safety profile when used for this purpose. the medical community is cautiously optimistic about mebendazole and other related drugs, recognizing their potential while emphasizing the need for further research.